Okay, this is long overdue, the unboxing video for the inHarmony Red Light 720, and this is what the box shows up as. It is reinforced. It might have some damage to it. FedEx, UPS, you're not the kindest to our boxes, and that is quite okay. What we're gonna do is first cut away all of the straps and the lines, and this video is going to be our video from start to finish to get this box open. And it's not necessarily going to be pretty, but it's going to show you exactly what you can expect when yours arrives. All right. Okay. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do with a knife is to just cut away the reinforced corners so that you can get to the box opening itself. This is packing tape. It is tricky, and it will take a skilled knife. You want to make sure you're not going through the box, and you want to slowly pull away without cutting yourself all of the tape. Sorry. Ay, ay, ay. And then you slowly want to start taking out all of the parts and the boxes. Now, little trick, if it's just you and you're on your own, an easy way to get this out, flip it upside down. And once it's upside down, you just walk it up and walk it out. Nice and simple. Now, once again, we have some more tape. Being careful not to cut or scratch the device. And I would just roll it around, cut the back side like you cut the front side. Now, this light is heavy. Interesting trick with the knife. Put your finger with the depth that you want the knife to be, and then you can actually cut these slits without going too far in. And the other thing is, if you are going to be traveling with the light, if you're going to be using the light at events, trade shows, conferences, I highly recommend saving the box. I highly recommend saving this portion of it as well. And let's see if we can stand it on its end. And very carefully remove it and pull this off as well. Again, if you're going to be at an event, trade show, or conference, I would highly recommend saving the wrapper. And then once you get over here, I'm leaning it on my knee so that it doesn't fall forward. And I highly recommend saving the box. That's it. It's now open. Your inHarmony Red Light. You've got a power switch on the back, and you've got an LED screen. I'm going to go through the setup video here in just a couple moments. And that is your unboxing video for the inHarmony Red Light. And then in here we've got all of our accessories. Let's unbox those as well. Power cord, user manual, a remote, protective eyewear, very important, and some more packaging. That's it. That is your unboxing video for the inHarmony Red Light 720.